Okay, we're not used to this kind of stuff around here. This is, I'm gonna go check the weather station and see. This is windy. You hear it? It sounds like a train. Wow. All right, we're gonna finish this video inside. I don't know what we're gonna talk about yet, but we'll think about something. These trees fell over. There's one there. Come on, guys, you just gotta go pee-pee. Let's do something. Don't tell anybody, but I actually kind of enjoy that. It's kind of like almost a little relaxing. But I don't like when the kids dump all the food in the sink. That's bad. All right, time to make some coffee. Let's see what the plan is today. First, we are going to move you a little. There we go. We're gonna pull up the weather station and see what's going on with the wind. Let's see if we can figure that out. All right, here we go. Simon Says Farms weather station. This is the same information you guys get on the website. So far, we've had 1 inch of rain in this storm. Let's zoom it out a little. That's us and all the other weather stations around. Currently, wind right now, 15. The best part I like is right here. So this is our temperature, the red. This is in Fahrenheit. This is our dew point. And this part right here, look at these winds. Hey, dogs! Cut it out! So the blue is, so yeah, we're ramping up. Look at this, this storm is getting worse. 30 mile an hour sustained. We hit a 41. That's crazy. 41 mile an hour wind. That's high for us. And that was just 5:30. Yeah, I was out here for that one. Hey, Mila, Chai, can you guys cut it out? And then what's down here? This is wind direction in degrees. So the wind's coming from about 145 degrees wind direction. So 145. Aha. Oh, north is 360. Okay, so it starts at 0, goes 145, so right in here. So it's coming from the southeast. So for this property, it's coming from behind House of Pie. Most of you guys have seen this. This is us right here. This is House of Pie. This is Cassie's Castle. This is south, this way. So the wind is coming from over here. It's coming up this way and hitting the front door of Cassie's Castle, hitting the back wall of House of Pie, which means the boys are protected because the big Cassie Castle is in the way. All by design. Oh, you can't see me. All by design. So, whoa, what's that? Oh, precipitation. Look at this. The rain's coming in, right? We picked up 1 inch of rain from here to here. We hit our 1 inch, and that was in 5 hours. Boom, rain. What's the black line? Pressure. The pressure is dropping, meaning the storm is getting stronger. Precipitation rate, that was high, 1/2 inch. Yeah, an hour. None of this means that solar radiant, it means the sun's not up. This will start creeping up as this starts to see the sun. So there it is. By the way, you guys have access to this, just so you know. This is all public knowledge. You could see all this. You got to go to, it's this weather station at Weather Underground. Right there. Weather Underground /dashboard/PWS, I don't know what that means, and then KCT Salem 12. That is us. So it's there. That's all the data. We just don't pump all this data to our website. So, completely change the subject. We're gonna go way back. And no, I don't take my hat off because I'm stressed all the time. Sometimes it's a thinking thing. I'm gonna go way back to when Liz was what the heck was that? Hey, get out of the garbage. Right now. Pull everybody out. Oh, you stupid dogs. Uh-oh. Dogs got in the garbage and I'm getting a phone call from Salem School. Okay. Tyler, Quinn, and Olivia. 2-hour delay. That's what that was. The dogs got into the garbage. You guys probably saw a big hole in our island from the kitchen remodel because that project has been kind of put on pause. I wanted to actually rip out the whole island and start the new island and do a temporary wood top on the island, but I might have to go out to the barn. It's real windy. Liz said no, because I only had like 5 days to pull it off before Christmas, roughly 5 or 6. And it's too big of a project to do right now, so that's on hold. We feel like we're at the what's that restaurant called where they cook in front of you and they play with the egg and they like throw food at you? Help me out. What is it called? Hibachi. Yeah. Well, every time we stand in our kitchen, we feel like we're a hibachi cook. What I was trying to say was, a while back, Liz, when she was still feeling like under the weather with her chest and shouldn't have been working out, shouldn't have elevated her heart rate, went and smashed some pumpkins for the boys. So you guys can take a look at that. Okay, now that we're back, the other thing I caught was off the live cam, and I saved it, was when she realized that I have pet Binks, and she hasn't yet. So I'll show you that clip here, and then we'll come back and wrap up this whole video. What?
I'm still offended.
Come over here. Over here, son. Just listen to me. Okay, that's it. That's all I got for this video. Hopefully we all stay safe. Everybody dealing with the storm up and down the coast. Lots of wind, lots of rain. The other thing I wanted to say is 34% of you, if you made it this far, are not subscribed. It's free. Hit the subscribe button. It's down here somewhere. Maybe even the thumbs up. 34%. This is a pretty interesting channel because age-wise, it's all over the map. We've got 18-year-olds and 80-year-olds all watching this, and we have about 55-60% female and like a 40-45% male ratio. On the live cam, it's like 90% 40-year-old ladies. That's what it is. That's what YouTube tells me. Here it's everybody. So thank you for watching, and I will be back again tomorrow with video number, this number plus one. See ya. Bye bye.